All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please stand and join me in welcoming the Governor of the great state of West Virginia, Governor Earl Ray Tomblin.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Please be seated. It's a great day for West Virginia as we present more than $5 million in Appalachian Regional Commission's grants for projects that make a difference in communities all across the Mountain State. And I'd like to take a moment to recognize my Commerce Secretary, Keith Burdett, and his team at the Development Office, including Mary Jo Thompson. Where is Mary Jo? She's not here. Well, we won't recognize her then. But anyhow, she is the director of the Community Development Division. And James Bush, is James here? The back. James is our ARC program manager, and I want to thank all of you for your hard work to coordinate this grant funding year after year and for your continued support of ARC in West Virginia. Today, communities all across the state will receive funding to address critical needs and help build a better and brighter future for all of West Virginia. This year, we received 36 applications from programs seeking more than $24 million in ARC assistance. But while the final review process and project selection is never easy, I've recommended more than $5 million in funding to support 11 projects that will make the difference in the lives of so many of our people. As I've said before, strong infrastructure is the foundation for economic and community development in West Virginia. And we've seen just how critical good infrastructure is for the communities following our historic June floods. Not only do projects such as water and sewer extensions support the growth of business and industry in our state, they also improve the overall quality of life for all West Virginians. Today's recommended projects will provide 60 new and 278 existing residential and commercial customers with safe, dependable water service. In addition to providing mapping of wastewater treatment facilities to reduce the cost of repairs, improve system management, and simplify the planning and development of future extensions. This funding will also expand drug addiction preventive initiatives, provide adult literacy, career preparation, and job placement for 115 individuals, fund training programs to increase competitive business in our state, and provide 120 at-risk students guidance and instruction to stay in school and pursue a fulfilling career. The ARC is a strong partner in West Virginia, and we're thankful for the continued support from our federal partners, including the USDA, Rural Development, private partners like Claude Benedum Foundation, and county commissioners, mayors, PSD board members, and many more at our local level. I'm proud of our state's continued support of projects that will move West Virginia forward and make the Mountain State a great place to live, work, and raise our families. At this time, I'll ask Secretary Burdett to join me at the podium and present this year's recommendations. Mr. Secretary.
As I announce each award winner, if you would come forward, I'll explain the project. Come forward, the governor will present your certificate, and we'll take some pictures. So we'll just keep it moving. So let me begin this year's award winners with those that are multi-county grants. And the first one goes to Jobs for West Virginia Graduates, Inc. for $130,000. The project will provide at-risk high school students with specialized instruction and guidance, including tutoring and mentoring services, career development training, and leadership development. The result will strengthen graduation rates, we believe, and employability for at-risk students. The project will serve an estimated 120 students. Jobs for West Virginia graduates. Our next recipient is the Region 1 Planning and Development Council for a sewer infrastructure mapping project for $250,000. The project will provide high-accuracy mapping of sewer system infrastructure across an 11-county area of southern West Virginia, accurately mapping the location of collection lines, manholes, and other system features. The project will benefit sewer systems by reducing the cost of system repairs, facilitating future expansions of those systems, and improving the management of those systems. Again, the Region 1 Planning Development Council, $250,000. Our next recipient will be the Goodwill Industries of Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia area for their Pathways to Self-Sufficiency project, and the award is $76,845. The project will provide adult literacy, financial education, basic employability, soft skills training, industrial certification training, and job placement through Goodwill's Career Center and outreach training programs. Through this project, at least 115 individuals in Lincoln and Mingo counties will receive services. The Goodwill Industries. Our first county grant goes to Braxton County, Flatwoods Canoe Run PSD Exchange Road Water Extension Phase 1. This is a $1,853,500 grant. The project will extend public water service to an unserved area west of I-79 at exit 64 in the Flatwoods area of Braxton County. Current customers rely upon private wells that are unreliable in quantity and poor in quality. The project will also provide water and fire protection services to 254 developable acres of land, increasing future economic development in the Flatwood areas. The project will serve 60 new customers, including 59 residential customers and 1 commercial customer, and facilitate future economic development. Braxton County Flatwoods Canoe Run PSD. In Cabell County, the Cabell-Huntington Health Department Harm Reduction Program expansion, $150,000 grant. The project will expand harm reduction services, including prevention education, counseling and referral services, community-based education and training, community outreach to those suffering from drug abuse addiction. The project will expand harm reduction program sites in Cabell and promote healthy lifestyles and counseling for program clients. The Cabell-Huntington Health Department. In McDowell County, the town of Bradshaw, a comprehensive sewer upgrade plan, $132,000. The project will conduct an evaluation of the town of Bradshaw's wastewater system to assess the extent and location of sources of significant leakage and disrepair. The assessment will include a capital improvement plan for upgrading and improving the city's wastewater system in the most efficient and cost-effective manner. The project will benefit the town's 120 existing customers and provide planning needed for future upgrades to improve quality of life and community development. The town of Bradshaw. Our next grant recipient is in Roane County, the town of Reedy, wastewater system improvement project, $430,000. The project will provide upgrades to the town of Reedy sewage collection system and wastewater treatment plant to correct inflow and infiltration problems in the system. The project will serve 88 existing residential and commercial customers in an ARC designated distressed county and provide much-needed infrastructure improvements to the town of Reedy. And today's final ARC grant award recipient is in McDowell County, the city of Welch. This is the McDowell Street and Riverside Drive Water Line Extension Project. This is a $1.5 million grant. The project will replace water lines in the McDowell Street and Riverside Drive areas in the city of Welch. Currently, the water lines experience significant water loss and outages due to landslips and outdated lines. The project will increase public safety, reduce landslips, provide better water quality and service to the homes and businesses, including the local hospital. The project will serve 190 existing customers, including 62 commercial customers and 128 residential customers. The city of Welch. Governor, that concludes this year's 11 award recipients. Again, I want to thank my staff and especially James Bush. Each year we get an enormous number of great applicants and way many more than we can possibly fund. So we appreciate the real effort that these communities have made to improve the lives of West Virginians. And I thank you, Governor.
Thank you. We thank you all for coming. We appreciate it. And thanks for all the hard work you do for us.